Hi kids, how are you all? Let's learn some colors. This is yellow color. What color is this? This is yellow color. This is pink color. This one is orange color. What color is this? This is orange color. And the last one is green color. Green color. Let's start our drawing. Today I will show you how to draw some 2D shapes. Let's start. The name of this shape is circle shape. Circle shape. The second one is triangle shape. Triangle shape. Then we have to draw hexagon shape. What shape is this? This is hexagon shape. The next one is rectangle shape. This is rectangle shape. This is heart shape. Heart shape. This is, what shape is this? This is rhombus. Let's start coloring. Orange color. Orange color. Circle. Pink color. Pink color. Light green color. Light green color. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. Sky blue color rectangle. Purple color. Purple color. Heart. Heart. The last one is peach color. Which color is this? Peach color. Circle, triangle, hexagon, rectangle, heart, rhombus. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.